Basta ramen siya. Wala na kayong pak. Sa ramen siya, ramen siya. So ngayon kasama ko nga pala
Time for my
ngayon
first night shift here.
Si Johnson, which is si Zenzen PH. Subscribe kayo sa kanya.
This is a pre-recorded message to train new employees.
Ayan na, Gina.
To get started, you should learn how to make a bowl of ramen. This is where you can grab an empty bowl and pour chicken or
Hindi ba
spicy
one time
broth, depending
gumawa ng
on what
ramen?
the customer wants. After you have a bowl with broth, you need to cook some noodles.
Magluluto daw noodles. Para walang ano. So bago tayo magsimula,
This
please
is
like, share,
where
subscribe na yan.
you
Ang
put
sa
the
Chilino.
toppings that the customer
Parang ano nila.
orders. Remember to put broth and noodles first. Oh. You can also find the instructions in the wall, in case you ever forget them.
Okay.
In order to survive your shift at the ramen shop, you'll need to read the rules.
So basa natin yung rules. Welcome to your shift. Follow these rules to survive. If a client approach your window, do not deny him. He asks for the usual serve, spicy broth ramen with no toppings. Yan, naka-rin. Normal customer and animatic customer. Plus, may akong tubig.
If you make the wrong choices, your service quality rating will drop. If it hits 0, you will not survive.
So pag umabot ng 0 yung grade natin, mamatay tayo. Ngayon, pride na tayo. Ulit na tayo. Kung wala pang ginagawa. Tahimik lang siya, guys.
Hello sir, how is your night going?
It's a cold night. I'll order a chicken broth ramen with eggs for toppings.
So, yan. Hati kami ng gawain, Johnson. Siya na magtinda. Oh, ano lang? Your bowl already has broth. So, ano gagawin natin? Ano ba kailangan niya? Chicken. Okay. Oh, the jump scares. Wala tayong pere. Malikubot yun. Siya na yung gumagawa. Pitik natin money. If you mess something up or something, throw something. Basta ganun. Magturo tayo ng something. Siya na bahala. Kaya niya na yung malaki na siya. Thick noodles daw yan. Ano ba gagawin? Paano ba? Don't know. Siya na yung gumawa.
Here's your order, sir.
This
Nakataas.
looks delicious, thanks.
Thanks. So, paano maglilib sa... Ito yung ano... Labas. Yan.
Hi there, hope your night has been pleasant. One ramen with chicken broth and eggs for toppings.
Okay, ikaw na mag-take ng money dyan. Ako na magbibenta. Ano daw? Chicken broth. Oh, no. Ano mali,
Why
pre?
don't you shut the window on me? I'll be reporting you. Goodbye.
Okay, di siya pinapansin. Ano mali nga siya? Guys, subscribe kayo. Sige na. Subscribe na.
Hey there, hope your night is well. One chicken broth ramen with eggs, beef slices, and tofu for toppings, with a water to drink.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, one ramen and a drink coming right up.
Drink. Hindi kumano tayo. Okay, kinuha niya na yung pera. Water. So, yeah, tulungan na natin siya. Baka magalit natin sa atin. Kaya siya tulungan siya magluto. Ano pa ba yung kulang niya?
Yum, this smells delicious.
Oh no. Lagot. Pakak. Naserban namin ano. Sige, basahin na natin to. Tuloy natin. What happened? So, lalabas kaming dalawa. Sige, siya na bahala. Kaya niya na-imlak na siya. Ay, madalas ako. Pinaserban namin, so nabawasan kami ng ano.
Hi there, I need some dinner. I had a very long shift.
Sino to?
I need some food to settle down now. I want one spicy ramen with chicken slices as topping and a Bloxy cola to wash it all down.
Okay, sir. Bloxy Cola. Ako nabala sa drinks.
Here's your order, sir.
Thank you. Work makes me so hungry. Be careful tonight.
Hungary. Hungary. Wala bang customer? Hinihintay ko. Uy! Lumabas ako! Buti pala lumabas. Okay, ba't dumilim? Baka dumilim? Okay. Hindi ba sa ito nila itong nabasa natin? If a tall Filipino woman appears in the streets, do not stare at him. Use the phone on counter to call an animal control unit to resolve the anomaly. Wow. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Tumawag na ako ng ano, kakasabi lang. Medyo nag-aano tayo.
This is the anomaly control unit. Are you calling in need of our services?
Yes, there is a tall, dark, and creepy woman in front of my store. She's the anomaly.
Alright. Please stay inside and do not interact with the
Stay
anomaly.
inside daw,
I'm
guys.
working to help you.
What happened?
Anomaly status
Okay na?
is clear. And you
Okay na, wala na siya.
calling the anomaly control unit. Please continue on with your day now.
Wow, any place stays open all night. Ask Gorgeous Raymond to place at night.
People come by all night, actually.
Kalbo.
Well, I guess I'll
Kalbo
give
ba
it a
to?
try since I'm already here. I'll order a
Kalbo,
spicy
parang
ramen
kalbo
with
siya,
chicken
guys.
slices, green onions, and tofu.
Like
Also
the
get me a Bloxy cola.
Habang hawak mo yung mane. Yung black si Cola, kalabas na siya na bahala sa drinks. Ako na bahala sa ano. %85% pa naman kami. Di pa kami bagsak.
Thanks. It's late night.
Libot-libutin na natin. So, ito yung mga stock room, green onion, black si Cola water, ang cook, and basta di ko alam yung tofu, eggs, ang dami. So, wala ko naman nangyayaring masama bukod sa kaninang anomaling lumabas.
I just want a spicy broth ramen with beef slices and green onions, and I want a water to
Ay, wala
quench
pa
my
pala
thirst.
tayong pera. Sorry na. Water tayo, water. Wala tayo aambag.
I have to go now. Thank you.
So, ayan, mag-cook tayo ng noodles. Para ready na lang mamaya niya. Ito na lang kuha.
Hey there, buddy. I'm in my fitness era right now. Get me a chicken broth ramen with beef slices, green onions, and eggs. And I guess since I'm healthy, I'll take a water to drink.
Ando, vegetarian daw siya.
Don't take long with my audio right, but I got places.
So, minaserban kaming anomaly. Feeling ko rin, minaserban kami. Kasi, bawasan kami ng... Oh my god. So, ako na para sa tubig. Bahala na siya magluto dyan. Sige, ayan. Pip, 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 pip. Ano yun? The fudge is that? What happened? Ba't mo tinapon? Para may sound naman. Kasi ang boring. Boring ng sound. Ay, ng place. Yan natin ng sound para medyo calm. Wow! Parang tangal lang. Ayos natin kapa natin. Ay, maayos na. Yan. Nakita ko yung argument. It's so special! Medyo banuta siya. Medyo ang dami parang sabi niya sa diet siya. Tapos, diet ba yan? Diet ba yan? Hi, kuya. Wee! Di pa ka ma-choose sa mga sa mga... Ayan, sige. Saan siya pumunta? Okay, nawala siya. Nawala si Johnson. Ay, ito pala. Wala ko nawalaan. Ang dami palang order. Chicken broth with side, again onion, eggs. Okay, hindi na tayo. Dahil pala tagaluto ng mga
You took so long, I almost fell asleep. Not something you should use for a good
So, yan. Ang dami natin siyang, ang dami natin
I
i-restock.
feel like you'll need it.
Tayo taga-restock siya yung tagaluto. Wait lang, sorry. So, yan. Kinuha ko na. Out of stock rin. Ba't nakaganon sila? Ako ganun. Parang mga ano lang eh. Ewan. Itang NPC talaga. Ako naman na. Okay. Tayo na gagawa. Beef slices. Beef. Beef slices. Tofu. Ayan, tanga. Wala pa palang broth. Tofu. Tapos green onion. Wala pa palang ano.
Brewer, digitally 5,533. Fugifrey.
Oh no. Wala. Mali. May fudge.
I guess you make the right choice.
Wala siya, guys. Parang bubbles. Bubbles!
Raymond. Oh, sorry. I just really like ramen.
Ramen.
I would like
Ramen,
to order 2
pagkakabasa
ramen,
niya sa
both
ramen.
with chicken broth.
Ramen.
And for the toppings, give me green onions and tofu in both.
Tikman, sige. Chicken broth. Okay, ito lang chicken broth. Sige. Sige. Green onions. Okay, out of stock. Out of stock. So yun, restock lang tayo. Ulit, tofu and green onion. Tofu, green onion. Then, yan. Tingnan natin.
My dreams are coming true. 1 ramen for now, 1 for later.
Saan siya? Ano nawawala to? Bigla sila nawawala ng parang bubbles. Nangyari dito kay Johnson. Oh fudge. Exit the store daw. Ayun. Huwag gumagalaw, guys. Ano man yun? Basta sundan natin to.
I need some ramen. My face is
Okay, sarahan natin tong pintuan.
Get me a chicken broth ramen with tofu in it.
Bakit? Ano mali niya? Ano mali niya?
My face, not there.
Yun! Uno.
Them ramen sound so tasty right now.
Oh, Raymond.
I don't like the
Pagkakabasa
topping, so I
nila
want
sa
a plain chicken
ramen.
broth ramen.
Ramen.
Wait, I also need a drink. 1 water as well.
Sige. Chicken broth lang kailangan niya. Oh, weird. Ba't chicken broth lang kailangan niya? Oh? Amazing noodles. Sorry. Okay, kunan tayo ng noodles. Di siya nagluto. Tayo na magluluto. Okay. Ayan na. Nilagyan na namin sa inyo,
Here's your
guys.
food, sir.
Thanks, but who is that?
Okay, luto lang tayo ng noodles.
Just kidding, haha. Have a good night. I hope you survive.
Bitch! Personal na nakakot pa siya. Try nga natin bumili sa shop. Wala pa tayong ano eh.
I've been looking everywhere for an open food stand. This place is like
Okay.
a ghost town.
Nice day camera ko.
That's why we stay open. What do you want to order tonight?
Kasi natin camera natin, lighting natin.
Give me some spicy broth ramen with eggs as the only topping. Eggs make you big and healthy.
Ano yung flicker? Di ko lang mag-gets kung ano yung flicker na yun. So, ano daw yung nakama? Spicy broth. Missing. Noodles lang. Noodles. And eggs. Tayo naman nagluto ngayon.
This is your order, sir. Have a good night.
Thanks, sometimes it's hard to pick which hand to hold the raiment.
Hi there. Looks like you just have gotten done with work.
Nagulat ba siya? Hindi ko
I
alam
actually know.
kung
I'm
nagulat
on my
siya.
break. I'm getting
Or
raiment
ewan.
for my goodwill tonight. So I need 2 spicy broth ramen with chicken slices and toppings. We need all the protein.
Yun. Ano narinig ako? Or just imagination lang? Spicy broth, chicken slices. Spicy broth, chicken slices. Spicy broth. Hindi ako na mag-noodles. Ayun, nagluto na ako. Ako na nag-unbox. Gusto ko natin yan. Spicy broth missing. Ay, ito lang ba? Oh, chicken slice. Huh? Chicken slices. Sorry. My faults.
Here's your food,
Perfect.
sir. All 2 that you ordered.
Gugutom na ako sa'yo.
Thank you. The guys down at the station will appreciate it.
Ayan. Hindi ko alam. Baka may anomaly pa tayong hindi nakakita or something. There is something. Ayun, tumambay na kami. Wala pa. Uy!
Hello. What would you like to order tonight?
Man. Yung na sinarado yung pinto. Bastos. Ako nang sa black si Cola. Bala ka dyan. Ni hao? So Shanghao? Gundo o isa kang magandang Pilipina. Okay, you can now use your income to buy boots.
Your order is
Boots?
finished.
Okay, 32% na lang. Ano mali ba yun? Hindi naman, sakto lang. Tugo, gali, jali, bibibibiri. Luto lang tayo ng noodles para may ambag naman tayo dito. Sino ka, B? Ba't ka
Are you alright,
nakasilip
sir?
sa amin? Kami na mga muna ka dyan.
Anyway, get me a chicken broth ramen with tofu and eggs, a water drink, and no more dumb questions.
Boy, si Edgar Luwag ba to, boy? Parang si Edgar Luwag. Kamukha niya. Kamukha niya. What will happen kaya if umabot ng zero to? I mean, zero talaga to, pa. Yung parang zero talaga.
Your order has been served. Have a good night. I hope you don't hit your head on anything.
Oh, you ordered.
Thanks, but I don't need your comment.
I don't need your compass to siya. The fudge. Okay, F. I think we're done. Malapit na. Nararamdaman ko na siya.
Hi there. Can I please
Bakit
order
mahilig
one
sila
chicken
kumain?
broth ramen, no toppings, and a water?
No problem.
Para mga tangkas eh. Ay, NPCs talaga ngayon. Sige, tubig tayo. Tayo maglalagay ng tubig. Out of stock sila. So ako na maglalagay ng water. Water.
I'm so glad this place is open so late and open so late.
You're welcome. Stay
Delikado,
safe out
guys.
there.
Lalat girls ka pa naman. Mahirap pa naman tumakas ang girls. Ay, mahirap pa naman pag medyo Uy. Wala ka dyan. Ano yun?
Hi, Yon, sorry.
Palok
I would like
freezer,
a chicken
mano.
broth ramen with soda
Talaga
cream
ka.
and chicken slices in it. Underwater.
Okay, pag na ito. Water. Ako na bahala sa tubig. Bahala na siya dyan. Kaya niya na magluto-luto.
Thank you. Hopefully I don't fall asleep on the way home.
Sige, restock lang tayo. Restock lang tayo dito. Restock lang. Chicken slices wala sa atin. Ayan. Ay, meron na pala tayong beef. Tapos luto-luto lang tayo ng noodles. Ito pala. Sorry.
Give me the usual.
Ito yung cloud, diba? Gag! Hindi yan sinasarado! Papatay tayo niyan! Yeah, ask for spicy broth ramen. Sige, all service natin. Tapos, mixing noodles.
Good job. You get to leave. For now.
Okay. It's going up, down. Bigla sila nawawala. That's so creepy. Creepy! Doktor?
Hi, I
Doktor,
need
liin
a
yun na ako, Dok.
Okay, are you alright? You look tired.
I'm okay. I've just been dealing with this business lately.
So, F pa naman tayo. F plus pa naman. Kaya ba naman siguro to?
Give me one chicken broth ramen with beef slices and chicken slices, please.
Yeah.
And a Bloxy Cola to drink.
Block si cola. Drink.
Thanks.
Okay. Mag-cook tayo ng noodles. Anong stock? Siguro, okay. Mag-stock tayo ng mag-stock ng noodles. Sige, luto tayo. Tapos chicken broth wala tayong chicken broth, so naging cooking show yung naging cooking show yung game, yung horror game.
You
Ano
must be
naman?
the new employee. Hopefully you've been performing up to standard.
What,
Let's
sure.
see. Your service quality rating is currently 15.
So what will happen if
Not doing too well.
Naging-
If you don't start doing better, we will have you replaced.
ano mangyayari if ever man? No. Papasok.
Give
Ay,
me a
Jesus.
spicy broth ramen with green onions and eggs, unless you want to be my next victim.
Uy, nakakot siya. Okay. Really gonna happen. Wala ka dyan.
Good luck surviving tonight.
Good luck surviving tonight. Ano mangyayari? Hindi natin siya pa
Hey
serve.
there.
Like,
I'm
oh my
sure
god.
glad that you were open
Good
tonight.
time.
I get lonely sometimes, so it's nice to talk to another human. You're not very talkative. Anyways, let me get one chicken broth ramen with eggs and a spicy ramen with no
Ang Bloxy Cola.
Bloxy Cola to drink.
Tayo na bahala sa Bloxy Cola. Siya na magluluto dyan. Bahala na siya dyan. Tayo dito lang tayo. F na lang. Oh no.
Then I remember this man. Good day.
Buti nga 15% pa rin ang natin. So, tayo taga-restock, siya taga-luto. Nagaluto ka, boy. Wala pa naman ang exit. Okay, exit. Pakak. Ang creepy. Ano yun? Something here. Okay. May
Hello, sir. How is your night
tumaan
going?
na something.
It's a cold night. I'll order a chicken broth ramen with eggs for topping.
Ngayon ko natin pera. Then, gusto ko siya i-jumpscares pero parang hindi siya nag-jumpscares. Okay, tingnan natin.
Here's your order, sir.
This looks delicious, thanks.
Wala pa naman masyadong wala pa naman masyadong jumpscares na nangyayari. And it's been 31 minutes. 32 minutes tayo. Kaya pa naman siguro ito.
Oh wow, you're quite the young person. Please give me a ramen with spicy broth, with tofu and eggs
So
for
siguro
topping.
last 3 customers tayo. Then
Extra spicy.
let's
I may
finish
look cool,
this.
but I can
Cut
take
ko na
the
yung video
spice.
kasi baka may full story siya tayo. Mwa. Last 3 customers.
I hope you made it extra spicy for me. If not, I will not be coming back here.
I hope you made... Oh no. Okay. Akala mo mamatay na kami dun. Okay. Uwian time na. Oh, uwian na. Oh, uwian na. Hindi naman. It's uwian time na. May bus stop. Asan yun? Yun. Para po. Para. Ito bangga. Dito na bangga. So, yan. Tapos na natin ang ating ending. So, yan. Bago tayo magulay-bulay, please like, share, and subscribe nyo na yung mga instance. Sige no. Love you all. Bye-bye!